Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. If it takes 6 workers 90 hours to complete a building project, how long will it take 10 workers to do the same job? If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Inverse proportionality describes a relationship between two quantities where, as one quantity increases, the other decreases at a corresponding rate. In other words, if one is doubled, the other is halved. Answering this question is a 5-step process. First, we need to set a variable for the number of workers and the amount of time taken to do the job in hours. Before describing the relationship between those variables in terms of inverse proportionality. Then, using the information given to us in the question, find the constant of proportionality to establish an equation that can be solved for either variable. And finally, by substituting the values into the equation, we can find the number of hours taken to do the job. The question tells us that it takes 6 workers 90 hours to complete a building project. If W represents the number of workers and T represents the time taken in hours, then W is equal to 6 and T is equal to 90. This situation is an example of inverse proportionality. It makes practical sense that if there are more workers, it will take less time to do the job. So, W is inversely proportional to T. Introducing a constant of proportionality, K, we can rewrite this as W equal to K divided by T. And using the values of W and T given to us in the question, find K. So, if W is equal to 6 and T is equal to 10, 6 is equal to K divided by 90. Multiplying both sides by 90 gives us 6 multiplied by 90 equal to K. And 6 multiplied by 90 is 540. So, K is equal to 540. Replacing K with 540 changes our equation. So, W is now equal to 540 divided by T. The question asks us to find how long it would take 10 workers to do the same job. So, if W is equal to 10, our equation becomes 10 equal to 540 divided by T. To solve this equation and find the value of T, we need to isolate T. And we can do that in 2 steps. First, by multiplying both sides by T, then by dividing both sides by 10. In the first instance, we get 10T equal to 540. And in the second, T equal to 540 divided by 10. 540 divided by 10 is 54, giving us a value of T equal to 54. So T is equal to 54 hours. For more explanation and examples of inverse proportionality questions, search our channel for inverse proportionality. As an extension to this question, if the project had to be finished in just 45 hours, how many workers would you need? So the time taken for 10 workers to do the same job, and the answer to this question is 54 hours. Please follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads for daily maths content.